Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show my quick makeup look for this Thanksgiving using 4 products only. So if you are interested, so do not skip and watch the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss an update whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's begin. As usual, first I'm prepping my skin using MyGlamm's Brightening Moisturizer. Then I'm directly moving to foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is from MyGlamm and I'm in shade Warm Sand. I'm applying it to all over my face and then blending it using a wet beauty sponge. While blending, do not forget to apply it to your neck area so that your face and neck look like as a one piece. This is a HD foundation and I love it because it gives a very full coverage. So you can apply it to your day makeup as well. It doesn't look like that you are having a lot of product. And the best thing is when I'm applying it, I do not need to apply the concealer over it. So I will not use a concealer in this video. Now to set everything on place, I'm using HD banana powder again from MyGlamm and I'm applying it to all over my face using the same wet beauty sponge. Moving on to my brows, I'm using Superfood Kajal from MyGlamm, which is in shade Indigo, and I am filling only the sparse area so that my brows look as natural as possible. Then brushing everything out using a spoolie. I'm applying the same kajal very close to my lash line and then smoking it out using my finger. I'm trying to create a smoky eyeliner look here. This is the easiest way to apply kajal. I mostly use this hack in my everyday makeup look whenever I'm in rush or I don't have much time to get ready. And every time it turns out to look a very subtle, natural, smoky kind of look. So you can go ahead with the intensity as per your choice, the lighter or darker you want it to look. So I'm applying a little bit more of product because I like a bit more smoky. Next, I'm using MyGlamm's liquid lipstick, which I'm going to apply as a blush and eyeshadow. I'm using the shade Nude Bombshell. Now blending it using my fingertip and brush, then setting everything using the same banana powder I have used earlier. Now to complete the eye look, I'm curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using here is Twisted Mascara from MyGlamm. I'm going to apply a good amount of it to my upper and lower both lashes. Then I added a little bit of liquid illuminating highlighter to my brow bone and cheekbone, and finally I completed the look using the same lipstick which I used as a blush. That's it for today guys, and here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products I'll be mentioning in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. I love you all so much. Bye.